This video is going to show you how to change the order default settings within ThinkorSwim when doing an order. So if you're doing order entry or right down over here, buy custom or buy, you can change buy custom, and you'll see down here when I do my orders, down over here it shows, let's say, default 100 shares, right? So if I want to change that to 1,000, if I don't have it automatically in here, it'll default to whatever you have in there, the number of shares. So if I go up here to setup, then application settings, and I go to order default, this right here will change my default quantity of orders. So you'll see 1,000 I'll put in there. And then you can change the order quantity increment. So if you're buying increments of shares, you can change it there. So I'm just going to put in increments of 1,000, apply settings, and then this should, when I go to buy custom, say with stop, there you go, 1,000 shares. So that's one of the things that's been annoying me lately when I go to place orders. I was like, how do I change that? So I just went up and looked it up, and that's how you change the order quantity of shares in ThinkorSwim.